Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is Click Start, Book 5 for Class 5, Chapter number 4, page number 46, MS Word 2007, Inserting Objects and Drawing. This is our topic of today. So, we are going to open MS Word 2007. Okay, this is a MS Word 2007. Click on it. Okay. So how to inserting drawings and different kinds of object in MS Word. This chapter is related to this. Our learning objects is how to insert a picture, clip art and word art, and how to insert a page numbers. So let we start. Okay, Jay, you can see here the insert option. This is the insert option. Have you seen this one? Click on it. Okay, whenever you click it on it, illustration group, you can find the pictures, how to insert the pictures, clip art, shapes, smart art and charts. So you are going to insert according to this book's picture, clip art and different kinds of shapes. Okay, how to insert a picture? We are going to insert a tab, insert tab. Then where you press the insert tab, illustration, you can find the illustration group here. Okay, click on the picture. If you want some pictures from your PC, so you can find pictures on here. If you browse your computer where you are situating any pictures on your desktop and whatever which drives, okay, so you can browse from here. Okay, you can browse. If I want a desktop picture, so going to desktop. Okay, so pictures and insert any pictures. Insert, click on insert, it will be here. Okay, you can see a small little boxes, which means the picture is selected. Unselected, it's not selected right now. So click on it, it will be selected. So you can reduce the size, just drag drop it. Okay, now it will be, its size is reducing. If you want to something crop, click on it, crop, and you can crop it. Crop. Yes, it's cropping. Okay, this is cropping. If I don't want this area, so we can crop it. Okay, this will cropped. Okay, done. Okay, this is the how to we insert the picture. You can apply these kinds of frame where you found. Okay, no, you sorry, click on the picture, select the picture, and you found this format tools. Okay, this formatting is related to the picture. All options, you can view all options from here. If you want to change the frame, there's a so much frames option here. You can see these all kinds of frames. Okay, which frame you can use, it's up to you. Okay, this is the picture shapes. If you want to change the picture shape, you can select any. Okay, you can select any picture shape here, or this is a picture effect. Okay, now explore it according to your need, your desire. Okay, you can scroll it and picture borders. These are the borders of picture. You can, have you seen the effect on it? Look at here. Yes. Okay, you can change anyone, you can use. Okay, this we have done. Okay, this is a position of picture in your document. Okay, this one, that one, that one, that one. Okay, okay, then okay, leave this one. rotation. Okay. Okay. This is a colors related to pictures. This is a contrast colors. Change picture. No, cannot. We don't want to change. Recolor it. You can change the color like that. Okay, these are the pictures option. Okay, our second task is how to insert a clip art. After picture, we are inserting a clip art here. Okay, clip art. Go to insert tab, insert option, an illustration group, clip art. You can find a clip art here. Click on it. Okay, you can find this windows site open. If you want to search any picture, so I'm writing here the food and go. Do you want to include thousand of yes? Okay, related to food items, clip art, it will be showing here. You can select any whichever you want. I'm select this one. What cannot obtain the data for the, okay. Okay, you can use this one. This picture we cannot support it right now. We have to install from the net. Okay, this is the clip art picture. If we are not writing anything here and we are going to go select it, so all of the available clip art on my computer, it will be showing here. Okay, you can select any picture, just click on the picture, it will be pasting here. Okay, same all the options like cropping, text, picture border, picture effects, you can use any जो हमने पिक्चर में अप्लाई किए थे वो सारे एज इट इज़ क्लिप आर्ट में भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, this is done. Hope you will understand how to insert a clip art, how to insert a pictures on our computer. Okay, so step to resizing a clip art on page number 49. Step to resizing, you are going to select it. First you have to select and resize like just like that, resizing. Okay, if you want to increase the size, like that. If you want to reduce the size, that one, that one. Reduce more, 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 more. Increase more, more, more. Done. It's very simple and very easy. Not okay. Then on page number 50, inserting word art. So how to insert a word art? Click on here. Okay, word art. Inserting word art. How to insert? Again, go to the insert tab. Insert tab. Here we can find the word art and text. Okay, these are the text option. Word art. Click on it. You can select any types of art. Okay, I'm going to select that one. Okay, insert your text. Word art. I'm writing here. What art? What art? Okay, then press OK. Okay, you can find here the word art. You want to increase the size of it, increase the size, increase the size, decrease the size. Okay, you want to decrease it as decrease as possible that you want, increase it. Okay, this is increase and decrease, and you want to change on it, text, double click on it, click and edit text. Okay, you want to change the text over here, word art, A capital, W capital. You can change the size from here as well, 36. You can increase more. I want to increase 48. Bold. Want to change a writing style, it will be available here, and press OK. Okay, you can see here the changes are occurring. Okay, then want a more changes, these are the dimension effects, 3D effects. You can change according to your need. These are the 3D effects. Okay, and here the 3D colors. 3D colors you can change. You can see effects, the 3D coloring. Okay, you can change the 3D coloring. And direction, you can change there's a direction from here. Okay, lighting, have you seen lighting? Surface. Okay, you can change any direction, any effect, shadow effects. These are color, fill color, position, rotation, all of the things are here. Shape fills, you can change your colors from here. Okay, texture, you can change any texture from here, right? You can see. Okay, all right. Okay, done. And so done word art. Okay, now we are going to insert a page number. Inserting a page number, insert tab, again insert tab, and header and footer section. This is a header and footer section. Here we can find a page number. Click on it, page number, click, and it's asking where you want to insert a page. Top of the page, these are the top. This one is the page number showing the left side, center, right side, and this is a another style of page. You want to insert on bottom, these are the bottom styles, page margin, top and bottom. Okay, we are going to select the top of the page. I want this type of page numbers, and you can see here the 2, page number 2, and this is a page number 1. Okay, and then close header and footer section. Okay, top of the page we can insert a page number. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Okay, after the page number we are going to insert the shapes in MS Word. It will be on your book, page number 53. Okay, drawings and shape. Again, insert tab, insert shapes. You can find an illustration group. This is the illustration group, and this is the shapes. Click on it. Which shape you want to add? Select any shape from here. I want to add this triangle, and you can find this plus sign, and you can scroll and drop down it like that. Okay, you can find this the triangle here. Okay, so this is to change the shape of this like that, small and large. Done. Okay, so this is total our chapter. You can change from the shapes outline from here. These are the outlines. This is the weightage. Okay, how to, if you want a dotted line, okay, change this line, dotted line you want. All right, click on it, mouse click. Okay, formatting you can change from here. You want to select any design from here like that. Shadow effects. All right, done. So very simple. Hope you will understand. If you're having any question regarding to this chapter, how to insert pictures, clip arts, and drawing in MS Word, of any version of MOS, so it's not about the 2007, it will be 16, 12, 11, any type. The same option, little bit different from the menu option, maybe it will be in 2016. Okay, I'm showing you 2016 as well. Okay, I'm having the 2016 word 2016. Click on it. Okay. Oh, could not start, lost it. Okay, yes. Okay, now showing this 2016 word. Close it. This is a 2016. Okay, MS Word 2016. New blank document. Okay, insert option. Pictures. All right, shapes is here. You can select any shape like that. All right, and what we have done, pictures, shapes, and clip art. Where you can find smart art is here. Here is a clip art. If you not finding anything, so smart art, chart, illustration group, home. Picture, shapes, chart, screenshot, smart clip art. What art is here? What art is here? And where is the clip art? Clip art, clip art. Design. Okay, page number is here. Insert pictures, tables, smart art bookmark, hyperlink on the video comment head. Here's the page numbers here. Okay, we cannot find the clip art here. It will be there. Clip art. Tell me what you want. Yes, click on here. Clip art. We are going to slash clip art. Clip art. No, there is no option of clip art here, so you can insert the option. You can save any pictures from the net and you can insert from here. Okay, hope you are enjoying this video. If you want any question to do, write in a comment section and like and share with others. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.